You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this tree, this plant, from Australasia. If you want to learn more plant names that are indeed confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced two different ways, two correct pronunciations in English. Gmelina, Gmelina, you can say Lina as well, Gmelina, that works too. Or Gmelina, right, a bit of a diphthong on the A sound, Gmelina. It's up to you, Gmelina or Gmelina. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.